Brennan, what do you do? What are you doing?
Amelia, dude, blow your whistle.
What are you doing with that tongue?
Baby Brennan.
Let me see. Stop touching his tongue. Stop touching his tongue. Stop it. Brennan, let me see that tongue. Amelia, come do it over here. Alright, let me see. Brennan.
You're the bad little brother.
Brennan. Stop pushing his tongue in.
Out.
Brennan. Let me say a little tongue.
You're so cute.
Amelia, stop touching his tongue.
I wonder why he sticks his tongue out.
Brennan, look at me. Look at me.